In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal on Xero. Navigating through your accounting software can sometimes feel like a maze, especially when you're trying to perform specific tasks like deleting a journal. Whether it's an entry made by mistake or simply a record that no longer needs to exist in your books, Xero makes this process straightforward. Let's walk through the steps to do this efficiently and correctly. Once you're logged into Xero, head towards the section where journals reside by navigating to the Accounting tab. If you're not immediately sure where that is, don't worry. Just keep an eye out for a tab labeled Accounting. This is usually found at the top of your navigation bar once you're into your Xero account. Upon entering the Accounting tab, the next destination is Manual Journals. This section serves as a repository for all your manual journal entries. You can think of it as a library containing all the adjustments and records you've manually inputted into Xero over time. Now, within this area, take a moment to carefully locate the specific journal entry you wish to delete. Having the date, reference number, or even a description of the journal entry will greatly aid in speeding up your search process. Once you've successfully identified the journal in question, it's time to proceed to the next step. This is where the actual process of deletion, or rather voiding, begins. Unlike hitting a straightforward delete button, Xero requires us to void the journal. For the journal entry you want to remove, hunt down the void option. Choosing to void rather than delete effectively nullifies the entry but retains it in your system. This decision is intentional, as it ensures there's still a record of it for future reference or audit purposes. It's a smarter and safer approach than outright deletion, allowing you to maintain a transparent and complete historical record of your accounts. After clicking Void, expect to see a confirmation dialog pop up. This is Xero's way of double-checking, asking, "Are you sure you want to void this journal entry?" It's a good opportunity to pause, reviewing once more to make sure you've selected the correct journal entry. If everything checks out, feel free to go ahead and click OK. Congratulations! You've successfully voided a journal in Xero. The process is now complete, and the journal entry will no longer impact your account balances. However, it's important to note that while the entry is voided, you can still access and view it if needed, providing an extra layer of transparency and security in your accounting processes. A few parting tips as we conclude this tutorial. Always double-check journal entries before voiding them. Although this action is reversible, it can impact your accounting records. If there's ever any uncertainty about voiding a journal entry, consulting with a professional or reaching out to Xero's support team for guidance can be beneficial. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to delete, or more accurately, void a journal entry in Xero. With this newfound knowledge, you can ensure your accounting records remain accurate and up-to-date while maintaining a clear audit trail. Successful accounting extends beyond record keeping. It's about managing and adapting them as your business progresses. Thank you for joining me in today's video tutorial. Whether you're simply tidying up your books or correcting a minor oversight, I hope this walkthrough empowers you to manage your journal entries in Xero with confidence. Happy accounting! And I look forward to seeing you in our next video.